Hello, YouTube, and welcome to Trading Cards of Awesomeness. Here we got 4 packs of the new Topps Baseball Series 2. It's 2022 Topps Baseball Series 2. 14 cards. 14 cards per pack. And I hear that these are printed 33% less than Series 1. So let's see what we can get. One from here, one from here, one from here, one from here. So we can open all 4. These to the side for now. I hear some of the rookies are wait and see, so we will know. Former Cardinal Lane Thomas on the back. Let me check these because I've seen people tell me that they're brand. So not really. Okay. Okay, not good. It's good. Kevin Plawecki. Roman Quinn. Boston and Phillies. Jacob Robson for Detroit Tigers. Rookie card. So put my rookies to the side. Alberto Perez for the Cleveland Guardians. Josh Bell for Washington Nationals. Andrew Benintendi for Kansas City Royals. Ooh, that's the Monarchs throwback. So is that something? Let me look off camera real quick. I don't know, so I just got these. So give me a second to come back to you in a second. Let me look at the packs with you guys. You can pause to zoom in and read if you need to, but I'm gonna let you know. You have a lot of inserts. Gold is 1 out of 17. Gold numbered. Oh, super short prints. I gotta look them up after to know, and then I'll put it in the description below if it is something. So that goes there for now, just in case. It will go in its own section. So, okay. Alexandro Kirk for the Blue Jays. Alejandro Kirk. Travis Thompson for the Cubs. Brad Miller for the Phillies. He used to be a Cardinal, but I think they moved on and didn't care because how it happened. He was a Cardinal in 20. He was a Philly in 19 and 21, so Phillies went in the back. Okay. Juan Soto. Significant statistics. Insert. That's cool. Let me look real quick and see what the significant statistics insert is out of. Super shorts. 1 out of 20. Okay. Nice. Luis Garcia Topps. Cup, rookie cup. Got Robbie Ray. For the Seattle, that was Houston. The other card is Robbie Ray is Seattle Mariners. Michael Taylor for Kansas City. Lane Thomas for Washington Nationals. Cardinals from 19 to 21. And 21 to Nationals. Okay. Now we're going to go pack 2. Let me open this all. Can't open these packs too well, but we got them. A Powerful Honor. San Diego. Machado hangs swag chain on Tatis after Grand Slam. So put that here just to check on that because I like these cards. Austin Warner Angels rookie card. Matt Carpenter Cardinals. He's not with the Cardinals. anymore. Okay. Then you got Seattle Mariners team card. Guillermo Herrera, Guillermo, can't even say his name. So that's just the Braves card. Gary Sanchez for the New York Yankees. Mike Baumann for rookie card for the Orioles. You got Javier Baez for Detroit Tigers. Cole Calhoun for the Texas Rangers. And then there goes a die cut. Let me look at the Cole Calhoun off camera so I can tell. Okay. The die cut is Nolan Ryan die cut. Sweet. Shine on this. Okay. I'm going to sleeve this bad boy right up in a sleeve. So give me a brief moment to open my sleeves. Sleeve this one up because this is super cool. A little story about the card shop today. I didn't know if I needed a 35 or 75 or any point protector or magnetic. So I didn't buy one. And we'll know what we get. So sleeve that one up. Put that to the side. Then we go with the Steven Strasburg for the Washington Nationals. We get Austin Barnes for LA Dodgers. Carlos Carrasco for New York Mets. And Lewis Brinson for the Miami Marlins. Two packs left. And we're going to go with this pack. We got a dugout congratulations for Cornerstone celebrations on the Angels. So I'm putting it over here. Sean Guenther for the Miami Marlins. It's a rookie card. Okay. We got a Philadelphia Phillies team card. And a Max Stassi Angels. We got a Michael Kopech White Sox. We got Bryce Wilson for the Pirates. We got Riviera, I don't know. Sam Martin for the Cincinnati Reds rookie card. Got Nathan Eovaldi for Boston. We got Rhys Hoskins for the Phillies. We got a rookie card of Yanni Hernandez for the Rangers. We got Adolis Garcia rookie cup for Texas. He was Springfield Memphis Cardinal. Then he played for the actual Cardinals for 21 games in 18, and then went back down to Memphis and then with the Rangers. Okay. We got Brad Keller for the Royals. We got George Springer for the Blue Jays. We got Ryan O'Hearn for the Royals. Okay, last pack magic. We got a Francisco Mejia for Tampa Bay. Carlos Correa for the Houston Astros. We got Nathaniel Lowe for the Texas Rangers. Jonathan Schoop for the Detroit Tigers. We got Kevin Kiermaier for Tampa Bay Rays. We got a Jose Urito, I think, for Houston Astros. And Willie Calhoun for Texas Rangers. We got Miles Straw for Cleveland Guardians. Paul DeYoung, who's in AAA now for the St. Louis Cardinals. Is it over here for me right now? We've got MVP Rookie Game Respects Game. This might be cool to get, so I'll put it over here. We got Colton Welker rookie card for Colorado. Walker Buehler for the LA Dodgers. We got Brandon Woodruff for the Milwaukee Brewers. And a player I've heard a bunch about, or a medium amount about, and I think he's a good card. Rookie card of Shane Baz for Tampa Bay Rays. So let me sleeve this one up. If there is any parallels, I'll make an extra part to this video, any like those parallels or something, and let you guys know. Or anything in here at all. Other than, this might not be something, but then this insert, and then these base that I need, or could need, and this, I cut Nolan Ryan. Then I got lots of rookies. Tomorrow I'm supposed to get 2 packs of my favorite set, 2022 Topps Gypsy Queen, and I will open them for you guys, and we'll see what I get. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Bye.